Hey folks, so I don't normally do this, but I was just too excited not to share it. I've been waiting for this for more than 2 months, and it's finally arrived. This is the Paynter jacket. So you might not have heard of Paynter. They are doing something really interesting in the fashion industry. In our fast fashion paced world, they're slowing things down. They're creating jackets one batch at a time with limited edition sets. And so this is their Applecross jacket. So before I dive into more about Paynter and the jacket, let's jump straight in and unbox this thing. Are you guys ready? Are you excited? I know I am. So while I unbox this, let me share a little bit about Paynter. So Paynter was started by a couple, Hugh and Becky. Their idea was to take iconic jackets and remake them using the best materials they could find. All their jackets are made to order in limited edition batches, just 4 times a year. So I picked up their Applecross jacket, which was the last jacket of last year. It's lucky number batch 13. I just love all the attention to detail they give, even to the simple things like their pin and their stickers in the packaging of the jacket. As I said, these are limited edition batches, and I've got jacket 209. The Applecross is constructed from a beautifully marbled 22-ounce Bira Alta lamb's wool. So it's really nice and soft. It's quite thick, and it's got a nice texture to it. So each jacket comes with a limited edition label made by an illustrator. This one is by Anna Mills. Jacket is finished with these amazingly fun Italian snap buttons. They don't rattle around, and they have a really nice polished finish to it. The interior is made of a lined super soft 6-ounce cotton twill, and there's a silky material for the arms so it doesn't get itchy. I think that's going to be really nice. I love this little label, take your chances. It reads, "Lucky chances don't come to you often. They'll come to you, and your only job is to be prepared and take a hold of them. Our old friend luck rewards those who work for it too. So take a swing, it won't happen otherwise." So enough about the jacket, let's check out what it actually looks like. So the first thing I noticed as I put the jacket on was the weight of it. You can really feel the sturdy nature of this jacket. When you come into the interior of the jacket, on the right side is of course that limited edition label. On the left side you have a small pocket for pens, and the right side has a space where you could put your wallet there. Can you hear the clicks? So satisfying. Nice deep hand warmer pockets, again made from that really soft cotton. It's got a nice collar to hide your neck against the wind, keep you warm and toasty. I think this is going to be a fantastic winter jacket as well as work its way through the spring. You know, that's the great thing about wool, it really breathes well. Now, even though the jacket took more than 2 months to turn up at my door, what I really appreciated about Hugh and Bex was the fact that they kept us up to date with their newsletter, showing us the process of the production of our jacket. It really, this attention to detail is so satisfying, you know, just knowing where your jacket comes from, knowing how it's produced, watching the hands that are actually producing your jacket, and sort of the process that it goes through. And so each jacket is unique, each one is special. So this is the Paynter Applecross jacket. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, do let me know in the comments if you want me to create more unboxing videos like this one and share with you some curiosities I've found. Do check out Paynter jacket. I think they are releasing a new jacket right now. Please note this is not a sponsored video. I was just excited about this product, and so I wanted to share my thoughts on it. As usual, be true, be you, stay fruitful.